Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting a notary online for free might sound impossible, but there are actually several legitimate options available in 2026 that can save you time and money. Step 1. Check if your bank offers free notary services. Most major banks like Chase, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo provide complimentary notarization for their customers. Call your local branch or visit their website to schedule an appointment. Step 2. Look into your state's Secretary of State website. Many states offer free notary resources and can direct you to public libraries or government offices that provide free notary services. Step 3. Reach out to your employer's Human Resources Department. Some companies offer free notary services as an employee benefit, especially for document-related work needs. Step 4. Explore free legal aid organizations in your area. Non-profit legal aid societies often have notaries available and may notarize documents at no cost for eligible individuals. Step 5. Consider online notary platforms that offer free trials or promotional periods. Services like Notarize and Online Notary Pro sometimes have limited free offerings for first-time users. Always verify the legitimacy of any service before sharing personal documents.